We all have those childhood memories that stay with us for a lifetime. For me, the smell of apricots remind me of my grandmother. We used to go to the local markets to buy the fresh apricots and almonds to create her favorite recipes. It's a favorite. This amazing childhood experience inspired me to use the ingredients to create the award-winning Belle Provence. Perfect! The name Belle Provence is adapted from the region of Provence in France, the largest producer of apricots. Crunchy, creamy, and moist, just the way I like it. With everything going on in the world right now, it's good to spread the light and warmth of hospitality around through food. I'm Ankit Rajak, pastry category winner of Hilton's Next Big Thing competition, and this is my Belle Provence.